I'm sorry that I did an introduction on Animal Jam, but this is my sister that's actually upstairs at the time. It's me. And hello, she said. So we're going to play games together. And I have some diamonds. Diamonds, oh my gosh. And oh, I want to do a coach thing. I'm going to talk on Animal Jam for the rest of the time, just so you know. Okay, I'm going to speak for this. So from it we got these two books. We got the Phantom. Wait, so let me take off all my stuff. So this is the first backpack we got. The first backpack we got was Play Wild Backpack. These are not the codes, just to let you know. Yeah, we don't have Play Wild, so it's the I will close it up for you. It's very cute. It has a ladybug on it, some ladybugs on the Play Wild pattern. It's called the Panda Power Backpack. Now, this is what it looks like. It has a panda on it, and it's adorable. You. So the next thing that we got was the Phantom Secret. The next one As see, do you want to join Call of the Alphas? Do you want to join Call of the Alphas? Do you like the same place? Call of the Alphas, the Phantom Secret. In VidCon, you actually get them in real life. These are cute items. These are actually so cute! Like, seriously. Yes, room. Yeah, there's no diamond codes. I know. And Neef diamonds, yeah, more like need. We're gonna play one game before we go! Woo! Wind Rider! So we're going to... I suck at this game. Get the gems, get the gems. And I actually always liked games on Animal Jam because you actually got to see what the other player's thinking. Oh my god, that was so close. Oh my god. This is the first time in my life without touching a phantom, hopefully. I just jinxed it. Oh, I'm beating sis. I'm beating my sis. No! No! Hmm. Okay, well, anyways. Bye, guys!